Good afternoon, students. Relativity chapter, that is Unit 2. In this session, we will discussing relativity introduction. Here, Newton felt that there exists an absolute frame of reference for the description of motion of all objects. All inertial frame of reference are equivalent for the description of motion of a object. According to Newtonian relativity based on Galilean transformation, space, time, mass are absolute. Any mechanical experiment performed in a frame of reference cannot say whether the frame of reference is at rest or having uniform motion relative to one another. This principle is known as Galilean principle of relativity, but this does not hold good when we consider an electromagnetic or optical experiment. Einstein thought that nature cannot behave differently for different phenomena. He argued that idea of absolute frame of reference is wrong, and the concept of absolute evidence that optical phenomena cannot detect the motion of inertial frames. Einstein postulated the special theory of relativity. The complete mathematical theory of relativity was developed by Lorentz and Poincare in 1904, and they introduced the terms like the principle of relativity, Lorentz transformations. Einstein independently and elegantly developed the special theory of relativity. Like, first, there are two concepts: inertial frame of reference and non-inertial frame of reference. Inertial frame of reference, which means a frame of reference in which law of motion holds good, that is, which obeys Newton's laws. The law of motion contains the concept of inertia, which was originally proposed by Galileo, hence the name inertial frame or Galilean frame of reference. According to Newton's second law, F equals ma. If force equals 0, then what happens? Mass is not equal to 0, but acceleration equals 0. It means that absence of applied force, velocity remains constant, which is Newton's first law. Hence, we can conclude that Newton's law is only a special case of Newton's second law and third law. This law forms the basis of mechanics. Inertial frame of reference. In case of inertial frame of reference, there are following conditions like a frame of reference at rest is inertial. A frame of reference moving with uniform velocity is inertial, and inertial frames are unaccelerated. In an inertial frame of reference, the description of motion is strictly as per Newton's law of motion. With respect to an inertial frame, a body cannot change its position or velocity unless acted upon by an inertial force. In the frame of reference, the force acting, it is calculated by using formula F equals ma. For example, consider a vehicle of rest or vehicle moving with uniform velocity in an inertial frame. The force acting on the person inside such a vehicle can be calculated using the relation F equals ma. Suppose if the person inside a vehicle continues to remain in the rest position as long as he is not disturbed by any external force. So this is the information related to inertial frame of reference. Next we move on to non-inertial frame of reference. As the name indicates, non-inertial, that is, which does not obey Newton's laws of motion. A frame of reference in which Newton's laws of motion does not hold good is called non-inertial frame. In non-inertial reference, there are following observations. All accelerated frames are non-inertial. All rotating frames are non-inertial. In an inertial non-inertial frame, the particle appears to be changing its position or velocity even in the absence of applied force. For example, a moving vehicle which brakes are applied in an example for non-inertial frame. Such a vehicle, the person sitting inside experiences a forward jerk without the influence of any applied force. A person inside a vehicle negotiate a curve or turn experiences a force away from the center of the turn. This displacement is not due to applied force of origin. See, in the examination, it could be asked for 2 marks questions. What is the difference between inertial and non-inertial frame of reference? Inertial means which obeys Newton's laws of motion. Non-inertial frame of reference which does not obey Newton's laws of motion. That is the difference between these two frame of reference.